Tired of crawling behind furniture just to charge your devices? The right extension cord doesn't just add plugs, it protects your gear and declutters your space. Today, I'm breaking down the best extension cords for every setup, from heavy-duty workshops to sleek home offices. Every product I mention is linked in the description below, so check those links to grab the best current price. Let's dive in and find your perfect fit. Product 5, Surge Protector Power Strip. Tired of too few outlets and messy charging clutter? This 12-in-1 power strip upgrades your entire workspace instantly. It turns one wall socket into 8 AC outlets, plus 4 USB ports, including 2 fast USB-C ports. Power up to 12 devices at once, effortlessly. Wide 2.2-inch spacing keeps bulky adapters from blocking. Perfect for homes, offices, and student dorm setups. The 15-foot braided cord reaches distant outlets with ease. Its ultra-slim flat plug fits behind furniture and beds. The low-profile 45-degree design saves space immediately. USB-C charging supports up to 5 V3A fast power. Smart charging technology helps your devices charge more efficiently. 1080J surge protection guards against spikes and lightning. Overload safety automatically protects expensive electronics and appliances. Upgrade your power setup today, smarter, safer, and cleaner. Check the product link in the description for more details. Product 4, Amazon Basics Extension Cord. Need power farther away? This 20-foot cord saves the day. Perfect for homes, dorms, workshops, and everyday setups. First reason, the long reach gives instant placement freedom. Move lamps, chargers, and tools without rearranging your room. Second reason, 13 amps and 125 volts handle daily devices. Reliable power for electronics, appliances, and light-duty equipment. Third reason, it accepts both 2-prong and 3-prong plugs. That means easy compatibility with more of your essentials. The white design blends neatly into home and office spaces. Durable construction helps deliver steady power when you need it. Students, homeowners, and DIYers all get practical value here. No fuss, no hassle, just extend power exactly where you want. A simple upgrade that makes daily life noticeably easier. Grab the Amazon Basics 20-foot extension cord today. Click the product link in the description to learn more. Product 3, 1-beat Flat Plug Surge Protector Power Strip. Late night, the dorm room glows with scattered device lights. Laptops, phones, earbuds, and a printer all fight for power. One wall outlet feels hopelessly small for the day's chaos. Then a sleek flat plug slips behind the desk effortlessly. Its ultra-thin profile disappears where bulky plugs could never fit. A 10-foot cord reaches the bed, desk, and corner. Suddenly, one outlet becomes 6 AC ports, plus USBs. Phones, tablets, cameras, and earbuds begin charging together. USB-C delivers fast power, while adapters stay wonderfully uncluttered. The workspace clears, and every device finally finds its place. Outside, storm clouds roll in without disturbing the calm. The 900 Joule surge protector stands guard over every connection. A soft indicator light confirms the devices are protected. Mounted neatly, the power strip keeps desks and luggage organized. For travel, college, and home, 1-beat powers everything. Visit the product link in the description to explore all the features. Product 2, Super Danny Flat Plug Surge Protector Power Strip. Too many devices, not enough outlets, and cords everywhere. Desk charging turns messy when chargers fight for space. Wall plugs get blocked by bulky adapters and power bricks. Bedrooms and dorms feel cramped with tangled extension cords. This Super Danny power strip fixes that instantly. 8 AC outlets and 4 USB ports handle everything. 2 USB-C ports charge phones, tablets, and accessories faster. The 1.65-inch spacing keeps large plugs from colliding. Its ultra-thin flat plug slides behind furniture easily. The 10-foot cord brings power exactly where you need it. 1050J surge. Protection helps guard your devices from sudden spikes. Overload and fire-resistant protection add extra peace of mind. Mounted on a wall, desk, or counter neatly, Enjoy a cleaner space, safer charging, and smarter organization. Find out more by checking the product link in the description. Product 1. Surge Protector Power Strip with Flat Plug. A single outlet sparks chaos across a crowded desk. Then this white power hub slides in, calm and compact. 8 wide AC outlets appear, ready for every device. 4 USB ports join in, charging phones, tablets, earbuds. 12 devices power up together, without fighting for space. The 3-side design keeps bulky plugs from blocking neighbors. Extra wide spacing fits adapters easily, even on busy desks. A flat 45-degree plug slips neatly behind furniture. 6 feet of cord brings power exactly where you need it. Mount it on the wall or keep it desktop ready. 600 joule surge protection guards against spikes, overloads, and overheating. ETL certified safety adds confidence for home, office, and dorm. Its clean white body blends into any modern space. Less clutter, more control, more charging power everywhere. Upgrade your setup now and power everything smarter. Check the product link in the description. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome product recommendations.